Welcome back to day 5 of.
Advent with Autumn.
That's right. Today we are building a
Truck thingamabob.
snow plow. You do like the word thingamabob. All right. Are you excited for the truck?
Yes.
Let's build it.
I'm plowing.
That is day 5 of Advent with Autumn. Building a snow plow. What do you think of the snow plow?
It's not a snowplow. It's a truck that kicks people.
Well, that's kind of rude for a Christmas-themed toy, isn't it?
Or maybe a vacuum cleaner.
A vacuum cleaner. There we go. A vacuum cleaner. What would you rate our vacuum cleaner / snowplow?
A 9.
A 9. Can't even decide or agree on whether it's a snowplow. We call it a vacuum cleaner, but we're still going to give it a 9?
It's a vacuum cleaner, and I like vacuum cleaners.
You should vacuum the house.
No. I'll vacuum it with this, but only this.
Me thinks that's not going to work so well.
It's gonna work. Probably.
Well, there you have it. Day 6 of Advent with Autumn. Check back tomorrow for day 7.